Here's the copper boiler on this Torre Alfredo heat exchange espresso machine. Here's the hose that brings the water in from the pump. Okay, and it gets it. Here's the pressure gauge reading. A solenoid valve for refill. Here's your overpressure valve in case you want to adjust that for maximum pressure. And as you can see here, a very, very well built connection from the boiler to the front wall. And the reason for this is so the boiler doesn't shift in transportation. So one of the strongest brackets that I've seen on this machine.